Do you know where the compressed air in factories comes from? It is the invisible power source of factories, the screw air compressor. Today, through this video, we will learn about its structure and working principle. Air passes through an air filter to remove dust. Then, through a solenoid valve, it enters the screw air compressor. It works like wringing a towel through the meshing and rotation of the male and female screw rotors, plus the sealing and lubrication of hydraulic oil. The air is compressed. Some large compressors even perform secondary compression. By further meshing and rotating the rotors, they increase the compression ratio and efficiency. The compressed air then enters an oil-gas separator. The oil falls into the oil tank, while the separated oil and gas are directed to coolers. The cooled oil re-enters the cycle, while the compressed gas moves to the air storage tank. A water separator removes moisture. After passing through a dryer, the air is clean and dry before entering the equipment. Modern compressors now include touchscreens for start-stop control and monitoring of operating status. With today's variable frequency control technology, they adjust automatically based on demand, making compressors more scientific and efficient. Thank you for watching. Please support and follow.